डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी के उम्मीदवार मौजूदा सदर जो बाइडन और रिपब्लिकन पार्टी उम्मीदवार साबिक सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने एक दूसरे पर संगीन इल्जामात लगाए.
An uncivilized country now. He has the worst. He's gotten rid of all the things that I approve.
What are you talking about? We've made significant progress from the debacle that was left by President Trump.
By the time we finished, so we did a great job. We got a lot of credit for the economy, a lot of credit for the military, and no wars, and so many other things. Everything was rocking good.
The fact is that there was no effort on his part to stop what was going on up in Capitol Hill. And all those people, every one of those who were convicted, deserves to be convicted.
51 intelligence agents said that the laptop was Russia disinformation. It wasn't. That came from his son, Hunter. He should apologize to me right now.
The only person on this stage is a convicted felon is the man I'm looking at right now. The crimes that you are still charged with. And think how many billions of dollars do you owe in civil penalties for molesting a woman in public, for doing a whole range of things.
Our veterans and our soldiers can't stand this guy. They think he's the worst commander-in-chief that we've ever had. And they like me more than just about any of them.
Every single thing he said is a lie. Every single one. For example, veterans are a hell of a lot better off since I passed the PACT Act. 1 million of them now have insurance and their families have it.
But no terror at all during my administration. This place, the whole world is blowing up under him. Come like a Palestinian, but they don't like him because he's a very bad Palestinian. He's a weak one. I will have that war settled between Putin and Zelensky as president-elect before I take office.
Hamas cannot be allowed to be continued. We continue to send our experts and our intelligence people as to how they can get Hamas.
We are very, very close to World War III, and he's driving us there. And Kim Jong-un and President Xi of China, all of these, Putin, they don't respect him. They don't fear him.
You want a World War III, let him follow and win, and let Putin say, do what you want in NATO.
If it's a fair and legal and good election, absolutely. I would have much rather accepted these, but the fraud and everything else was ridiculous.
Out with you'll accept it because you're such a whiner. The idea if you lose again, you accepting anything, you can't stand the loss. Something snapped in you when you lost the last time.
4 साल बाद अमरीकी सदर बाइडन और साबिक सदर ट्रंप आमने सामने आए तो एक दूसरे को ताने दिए बगैर ना रह सके. ट्रंप ने बाइडन को ज़हनी सेहत का टेस्ट कराने का मशवरा दिया तो बाइडन ने ट्रंप को वजन ज्यादा होने पर निशाना बनाया.
I took 2 tests, cognitive tests. I aced them, both of them, as you know. We made it public. He took none. I'd like to see him take one, just one, a real easy one. And I'm in very good health. I just won 2 club championships, not even senior, 2 regular club championships. To do that, you have to be quite smart, and you have to be able to hit the ball a long way, and I do it. He doesn't do it. He can't hit a ball 50 yards. He challenged me to a golf match. He can't hit a ball 50 yards.
You can see he is 6'5" and only 223 pounds, or 235 pounds. Just take a look at what he says he is, and take a look at what he is. Look, I'd be happy to have a driving contest with him. I got my handicap, which when I was vice president, down to a 6. But by the way, I told you before, I'm happy to play golf if you carry your own bag.